Hello friends, according to this expression we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this Bodmas sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. Now step 1. Step 1 says smallest bracket. As you can see here, the smallest bracket is 15 minus 3. So solve the innermost parenthesis first, equals to 12. So now the expression becomes to multiply square bracket 45 minus curly bracket 6 square divided by 12 curly bracket of multiply 4 square bracket of plus 5 square. Now the second step says curly braces and orders. Solve the exponent inside the braces. First we solve 6 square equals to 36 and after we divide the values 36 divided by 12. Now expression becomes 2 multiply square bracket 45 minus 3 multiply by 4 plus 5 square. Now the next third step says square brackets. As you can see, in the square bracket, inside the brackets multiplication comes before the subtraction. So first we multiply the results. 3 into 4 equals to 12 and after we subtract the values, after we'll get 33. Now the expression becomes 2 multiplied by 33 plus 5 square. So now the fourth step, orders and final operation. Solve first parse 5 square equals to 25 and after we multiply the digits we'll get 66. Finally we add the value 66 plus 25 equals to 91 and this is the final result. Applying the Bodmas, according to this expression we ensure that the complex multi-step equations are solved consistently and accurately by prioritizing grouping symbols and parts before basic arithmetic. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.